Hello and welcome to today's JavaScript tutorial. In this session, we'll calculate the dot product of two three-dimensional vectors. The dot product is a fundamental operation in mathematics and computer graphics. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of how to calculate the dot product programmatically. The dot product is calculated by multiplying corresponding components of two vectors and summing their results. For example, for the array of 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2 and 3, the dot product is 1 times 1 plus 2 times 2 plus 3 times 3, which is 14. For the array of 1, 1 and 1 and the second array of 0, 1 and negative 1, the dot product is 1 times 0 plus 1 times 1 plus 1 times a negative 1, which is equal to 0. This ES5 implementation calculates the dot product by first initializing a variable to store the result. Second, by looping through the components of the two vectors. Third, multiplying corresponding components and summing them into results. The final result is returned after the loop completes. Let's break down the process. First, we initialize a result variable to store the dot product. Second, we use a loop to process each component of the vectors. Third, we multiply corresponding components and add them to the product. Once all components are processed, we return the final dot product. Let's analyze these examples step by step. For the arrays of 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2 and 3, the dot product is calculated as 1 plus 4 plus 9, which is equal to 14. For the arrays of 1, 1, 1 and 0, 1 and negative 1, the result is 0 plus 1 minus 1, which gives you 0. These examples illustrate the logic of multiplying and summing corresponding components. The ES6 version uses arrow functions for cleaner syntax and let-for block scoped variables. The logic remains the same, ensuring consistency with the ES5 version. In summary, the dot product is a simple yet powerful operation used in many fields, including graphics and physics. This program demonstrates how to compute it efficiently using loops and array indexing. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I will see you in the next one.